This video tutorial I will explain how to install JDK 23 on Amazon EC2 instance or Linux operating system. Here you can see Amazon AWS console, and here you can see the EC2 instance which is running. Copy this IPv4 address using PuTTY software, log into Amazon EC2 instance. I have successfully logged into Amazon EC2 instance. Open WinSCP. Click on login to log into Amazon EC2 instance. Step 1 is update your Linux system. Before installing JDK 23, it is always good to update your system packages to ensure everything is up to date. To update packages, we have to run the command sudo yum update. To upgrade packages, we have to run the command sudo yum upgrade. Run this command. Run this command. Step 2 is download JDK 23. For that, visit Oracle JDK download page using this link. Then look for Linux x64 compressed archive file. The file extension will be .tar.gz. Using wget command, we can download the archive file. Here you can see JDK 23. Select Linux tab. Here you can see x64 compressed archive file. Copy the link address. Use wget command to download the archive file. It is downloaded successfully. We are in home EC2 user folder, and here you can see JDK 23 archive file is successfully downloaded. Home EC2 user, click on refresh, and here you can see JDK 23 archive file is successfully downloaded. Step 3 is extract the JDK archive. After downloading tar.gz file, extract it to op directory using sudo tar command. Then verify the extraction using ls op directory. You should see JDK 23 folder inside the op directory. Run this command, and in op directory you can see JDK 23.0.1. Click on op directory. Here you can see JDK 23.0.1. Step 4 is set environment variables. To make the JDK available system-wide, set up environment variables. We can open the profile file using sudo nana command. Then add environment variables. We have to add two environment variables. One is java underscore home, another one is path. Java home value should be till JDK 23 folder, and path value should be till bin folder. Then save and exit. Press Ctrl plus X to exit the editor, and press Y to confirm the changes, and enter to save the changes. Then apply the changes to your current session by running this command. Run this command to open the profile file. Add these two lines, Ctrl plus X, Y to confirm the changes, press enter. Changes are saved. Run this command to apply the changes to your current session. Step 5 is verify the installation. Check Java version. To ensure that JDK 23 has been successfully installed, we have to run this command, java-version. Then you will see the output similar like this. Check Java compiler version. Also, you can check Java compiler version by running this java c-version command. Run this command. And here you can see Java version is 23.0.1. From this, we can confirm JDK 23 is successfully installed in this Linux machine. Run java c-version command, and we got Java compiler version is 23.0.1. Step 6 is optional, which is set JDK 23 as default. Add to alternative system. If you have multiple versions of Java installed and you want to set JDK 23 as the default, then you have to use this following two commands. Then set default Java version. Then set JDK 23 as the default Java version using these two commands. When you execute these two commands, it will show the list of JDK installed in the Linux machine. From that, you have to choose JDK 23. The list has only JDK 23 because in this system, only JDK 23 is installed. The conclusion is you have now successfully installed Java JDK 23 on your Linux server. You are ready to start developing or running Java applications using Java JDK 23 version. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.